Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to set up audiences in GA4. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Now this is our GA interface, and all we need to do is just click admin at the lower bottom of our interface and click audiences. Now at the right side, at the middle part of our interface, click New Audience. And there are suggested audiences and template as well. So you might want to choose from these suggested, but for now, we're going to create a custom audience. And we are going to write our title, male iPhone users. And we are going to also write our description. So users in the Philippines who are male and use iPhone. Now we are going to define our condition scoping, so make sure it's across all sessions. And we are also going to define our membership duration, make sure it's set to maximum limit. And from here, we are going to add a condition, and you will be able to select the necessary criteria to define your custom audience. Now just click Add a New. Under Dimensions, click Demographics and click Gender. Make sure to add a filter, and we are going to define our condition. Make sure it is one-off. Choose male since that's what we are going to capture, and make sure you are going to select the box at any point in time and click Apply. And we are going to add another condition, so just click End. Under Dimensions, click Geography and click Country ID. Don't forget to add a filter and define a condition exactly matches, and write PH, click at any time, click Apply. We're going to add another condition, so just click End. Under Dimensions, click Platform or Device and choose Device Category. Don't forget to add filter. Define our condition exactly matches and type microphone. Don't forget to click at any point in time, click Apply. Now at the bottom right corner of our interface, you can see the summary of users in this audience. For us to save this audience, all we need to do is just go to the upper right hand corner of our interface and click Save. And then we are going to go to Reports and click the Add Comparison tab. And we are going to select the dimension. So type audience name. And we are going to select the dimension values. So choose the page male iPhone users, the audience that we made earlier, and click OK, and then click Apply. As you can see, it hasn't populated yet, but give it a time, it will. And that's how easy you can add audience in GA4. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to drop them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!